Good day viewers, this is Chef David's Table, and today I'll be taking you guys on corn and beans porridge with fish, fried fish and plantain. So first and first, we'll be adding our corn to our boiled water. Then we'll be adding a quarter spoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of salt. Then we stir so that we can have a soluble mix with the salt. Then cover for 5 minutes before adding our beans. Now that the corn is well cooked, we'll then add the beans. So we then stir. And we allow the beans to properly cooked until it is soft. Then we add our pepper and vegetable oil. So we'll cover the beans. Now that we've had the beans, we'll then add our onions. Then stir. So cover and allow it to get softened. Then we add water to it. Then cover. Now we add our pepper. Now we add salt to taste. And we stir. Then you add fresh fish. And stir. Then you cover. While we wait for our beans to get softened, we'll fry our plantain and fish. Okay, now we're at our red oil.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you smooth voice.
So this is the last phase. We'll cover it and allow our beans to simmer and don't cook. Then it's ready to eat.
It is draining me.
So now we'll check the beans.
Breaking me, it's like creating a hole in my heart. But you're not here.
Stir.
Each time I leave,
Now that the beans is well cooked.
I just want you to know, yeah.
Now the beans is well cooked, so we take it off the fire. Beans, corn porridge, Folate.
I have inside. My heart tells me how much the side of mine is knit in you, girl. If I had to choose between breathing and loving you, I'd rather use my last breath to say I love you. Oh my God, oh my wait for you, I know where you are. Cause you're in my heart.
Thanks for watching Check the Risk Table. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Watch out for your next cooking tips. Thank you.